Good morning, students. So today I am going to give the solution of worksheet 1. Okay, the solution of worksheet 1. You can download the PDF and you can see the questions, but here also I have written the questions and answer. So let's start. So first one is write the numerals using Indian system of enumeration. Using Indian system of enumeration. The first question is 40 crore 35,000, and second one is 4 crore 2 lakhs 5,080. So these are the two questions you have to write down in Indian system of enumeration. So before writing, you can make this table: ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, and crores, 10 crores. So this crores and 10 crores, they come under crores group. Lakhs and 10 lakhs, they come under lakhs group. 1,000 and 10,000, they come under 1,000 group. So first question is 40 crore and 35,000. So here I have written 40 crore, 40 crore. There is no lakh, so 00 in lakhs. And 35,000, so I have written 35 under 1,000, and here there is nothing, so 0, 0, 0. If there is nothing, as I have already told you earlier, you have to write down 0. Second one is 4 crore 2 lakhs 5,008. So this one is 4 crores. You can also here write down 0, no problem. I have not written, you can write down 4 crores. Then you have 2 lakhs. So 2 lakhs means 02. This is 2 lakhs. Then we have 5,000. So here it is 05, 5,000. And last one is and 80. So 80, here 080. So this one is 80. Okay. I hope this one is clear. So before writing, just make this table. It will be easier for you to write down. The second question is write the numerals using International System of Numeration. Using International System of Numeration. The first question is 990,006,089. So again same heading: ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million, and here billion. So this one billion group, this one is million group, this one is 1,000 group. Okay, so first is 990 million. So here 990 million, 990. Then there is 6,000. So 006, this one is 6,000. And 89, only 89. So 089, 89. The next question is 1 billion. So starting with 1 billion. So under billion I have written 1. Then you have 45 million. So 45 means 045, 45, 045. So this is 45 million. Then we have 17,000, 17. So 017. So this is 17,000. And last one is 200, 217. So at last 217. Okay. The next question is, this is very easy. The next two questions, write the successor. Now as I told you, what is the meaning of successor? Successor means just add 1. Just add 1. So the first question is 589461. So what will be the successor? Just add 1. Your answer is 589462. And this one 321478 plus 1. Your answer is 321479. Number 4 question is write the predecessor. Predecessor means -1. So first question is 856234 minus 1. So answer is 856233. This is the predecessor. And second one, this is the question, and answer is 647895 minus 1. That is 647894. Okay, it's easy. Now number 5. Now what is the question? Write the number name using Indian place value chart. Indian place value chart. Okay, so the numbers are given, you have to write in words. Number name means words. So first question is 876000543. So before writing, you can write this one at the top. This is ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs and crores. So what will be the answer? So 8 crore, as you can see, 8 crore. Then this one is together 76 lakhs, 76 lakh. There is no 1000 group, 00, so no need to write down. And last one is 543, 543. The next question is this one. Again at the top I have written ones, tens, 100 up to crores. So what is the answer? First one is 3 crores. This is 3 crores. Then 20. This is 20 lakhs. Together you have to write down 20 lakhs. 20 lakh. Then this one is 30. 30,000. This is 30,000. And last one is 401. 401. 401. Okay, clear? Number 6 question is write the number name using international place value chart. You have to write down international place value chart. Okay. So first question is this one, and at the top I've written ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. So this is up to 100 million. So as you know, this million, 10 million and 100 million, all this together come under million groups. So these 3 numbers you have to write down together. How? This is 123 million. 123 million. 123 million. Then this one, these 3 together come under 1000 group. So 654,000. 654,000. And last one is 234. So 234. This question also same, up to 100 million, from ones, tens up to 100 million. So this million groups, again you have to write down same. This is 270, that means 270 million. So 270 million. Now here see, under 1000 group you have 005. That means it is only 5000. So 5000. And last one is 678. 678. Okay, clear? And this is the last question, question number 7. Fill in the blanks, and this is very important, as I told you earlier. So first question is 1 million equals to dash thousand. Okay, 1 million equals to dash thousand. So what is the technique? So first one, you have to write down 1 million. So I have written 1 million. 1 million, how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one you have to write down at the top, and by sign, this 1000 write down below. This is 1000. So these 3 zeros and 3 zeros get cancelled. So what is the answer? 1000. So this is 1000. That means 1 million equals to 1000. And number B, 1 billion equals to dash crores. So first, again, this 1 billion you have to write down. I've written 1 billion. How many zeros? 3, 3, 6, 9. 9 zeros are there in 1 billion. And below you have to write down crores. In crores, how many zeros are there? 7 zeros. So again, these 7 zeros and here 7 zeros get cancelled. Your answer is 100. So 1 billion equals to 100 crores. So this is the solution of worksheet 1. I hope this one is clear to all of you. Now you can check your answer and you can write down in your copy. Thank you.